Well, what is up, everybody? I know I have some explaining to do. It's been quite a while since I posted anything, and several reasons for that, I guess. Started out, I was doing a lot of overtime at work with this contract that we got. I was doing 10 plus hour days every day. So that went on for about 3 weeks or so. You know, as some of you know, my mom passed in February, and you know, I took a break from YouTube then, obviously, and you know, to get things in order and, you know, just to do my thing. But I don't know, I thought I was, you know, ready to start, you know, to jump back into life and do what I was doing before, try and take my mind off things and all of that, but it was just too much. And you know, there's some stuff you know, that made all of this, you know, a lot harder than it already was, which, you know, I thought about doing a little story time series, kind of explaining, you know, my story and everything that kind of took place in that short amount of time, everything that led up to what happened, and why I've taken so many breaks from YouTube since, you know, August, September of last year. But let me know if you guys would like that. And I didn't say anything before because, you know, I'm a very private person, always have been, and it just, I don't know, I just didn't really see the point in sharing anything. Like I said, it just always been a private person, but from all the stuff that, you know, I've seen on TikTok and everything, and how a lot of this stuff has helped me, you know, I figured I can use my platform to hopefully help other people as well, maybe in a similar situation with what I'm going through and millions of other people. So I don't know, let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think, if you think that's something you'd be interested in or not. I think I'm gonna do it regardless, and, you know, if it's not your cup of tea, you know, it's obviously okay, and, you know, I'll try and post regular content in between for the people that don't really want to watch that. But I just wanted to come on here and kind of let you guys know, you know, I'm okay, and you know, nothing bad has happened. I'm still around. I just going through some stuff, you know. I'm sure you guys get it and you understand, but I'm extremely thankful for all the people that have stuck around. You know, I know I've taken quite a few breaks off YouTube, and I'm sure that can be frustrating to people. You know, you just want to see content from, you know, the people you're subscribed to, and doesn't come through. And in all seriousness, I had, you know, a lot of really cool videos coming up that I was really excited to share, but, you know, sometimes things just take over and there's nothing that you can do. You know, life's unfair, it's just the way that it is. But it's kind of what I decided. I really want to do what I can to help people. Something I've always been super passionate about, and if I can help even one person through what they're going through, I mean, that's enough for me. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys, give you guys kind of an update of what's going on. I've been wanting to do this for a while, but it had been so long, like all my GoPro batteries were dead, and I just had a lot of stuff going on. But, you know, I finally got things situated and was like, all right, I'm gonna jump on here and kind of give everyone an update, because you guys deserve that. Also, I don't know if you guys noticed, but I did a little test stream a few days ago. I kind of built this badass PC, and kind of wanted to get into some gaming and stuff, because I noticed it kind of helps me. It helps take my mind off stuff, and it's cool to play with friends and, you know, whatever. So I was kind of wondering if that's something you guys would be interested in too. You know, even if you're not getting videos all the time, you know, there would be streams, and I could either do it on YouTube or create a Twitch, and I don't know, or, you know, I thought about other stuff too, like I could be editing, you know, videos and stuff, and just hanging out with you guys, chatting it up, and, you know, I'd be able to explain, you know, situations a little bit better, and like what's going on with my life, and more of like the real side of me versus the YouTube side of me. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I mean, I'm probably gonna play and maybe stream regardless, but I just kind of want to get an idea of if any of you would be down for that, if you guys would tune in and watch, and if that's something that you guys think is cool. So yeah, I miss you guys, man. I hope everybody's doing well. Hope you're all happy and healthy and have great things going on in your life. And if there's anything I can ever do, don't hesitate to reach out. My DMs are always open. You know, if you need someone to talk to, if you have questions, if, you know, you're hurting or whatever, man, just don't hesitate to reach out. I'm more than happy to take some time and talk to you and help you out with whatever you're going through. You know, it's such a crazy time now. Like, we really need to lean on each other and help each other get through these hard times and sticky situations that we're finding ourselves in these days. And after all, I mean, that was one of my main reasons for doing YouTube, is to help people, you know, maybe get people into the sport, just hang out with people, you know, just do my thing, and if I can help people, that's my main goal. You know, not everybody can own a motorcycle and just be able to jump on and forget everything, and it's hard to find advice sometimes when you're hurting, you know, especially as men. You know, we're taught to be strong and you know, just push everything aside and man up and all of that. But, you know, I realized something, you know, last year, and it's changed, you know, me as a person, my mentality and my way of thinking, and we'll get into all of that stuff. But anyways, I love you guys. I'm sorry that it's been so long, and I'm hoping to be back in it. Again, it may not be how it was for a little while. I gotta kind of ease myself back into it, but yeah, let me know about the YouTube streaming or Twitch streaming, what kind of games like you guys would be interested in seeing, or if you want to watch me edit some content or something, let me know. I think it'd be cool to really engage with you guys. I mean, we don't really get that opportunity. So anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.